Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you the second episode of the New Learners. So let's start. First, I will tell you these four blocks we learned. First of all, please subscribe and like. Thank you. So this one is move 10 steps. Okay, and this is turn 15 degrees. I want to tell something cool. This is super fun to play around. I love to play with this. You can turn around. It's like a fun wheel. Okay? We just have to put this in the correct order. Done. And see, this guy turns. See? Done. Wait. Done. Now we don't need these blocks. Let me quickly show you what this does. See? And you can edit this to have -10. Wait a moment. -10. This goes backwards. This is to go the other way. I think this should be left. Yeah. This is to go to a random position. So here. Now let me put this guy here again. And mouse pointer. Let me get an event block. And when spacebar pressed. Yeah, I think this is good. And go. Go. Okay, that's enough playing around. Now, can you recap all of this? I'll give you 5 seconds to recap this. What does this block do? I'll wait 5 seconds. Yeah, if you know the answer, tell it out loud, please. Yeah, this is to move 10 steps. Now, let's see it again. Yay! And you can also edit it by doing this, okay? This is to... And I'll wait 5 seconds again. Done. 5 seconds is up. Now tell me, what does this do? Yeah, this is to turn 15 degrees. Done. Wait a minute, let me just clear this guy to his normal position. I just don't like it when it's doing it's being a bit crazy. I don't want you. Yeah, and this is to turn the other way, left. And tell me what this is. I'll wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Done. Now this is to go to a random position. There's another one in this, and this is mouse pointer. I'll give you another 5 seconds to work this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. And see, it goes to where my mouse is pointing, so this way. See? Let me put this guy here again. Oops, sorry. And these are to duplicate. Add a comment, but I don't know what this does till today. And delete the block, okay? And let me tell you, there's some new learning. I'm going to tell you these 3 blocks today. So see, if I was here, this goes to where I was before. Okay, this one is glide to random position or mouse pointer. Let's do that. See, if I put this mouse pointer, this goes to where my mouse is, see? And this, okay? That's enough for these blocks. And this is to glide. if I put this guy here somewhere, and he'll go there. See? Now I'll tell you a quick recap. No, you have to tell me, what does this block do? What does this block do? What does this block do? I'll wait for you. Okay. 5 seconds only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. This is to go to whatever coordinates I am now. You see, I'm at these coordinates. You see, I accidentally changed it. If I click this block, it goes back where I was. And we're done with this block. And this block is glide. No, you have to do it. I forgot. Sorry. You have to wait 5 seconds. No, you have to tell me the answer as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. And let's see the answer. It will do it for us. See. Let me put this here. What does this do? But since we did this already a bit, I'm only going to wait 3 seconds. So you better be quick. 1, 2, 3. Done. This goes to wherever my mouse is. Done. This is enough. This is to go to the coordinates I was at before. So let's see. See, I am at the coordinates I was at before. And I'm going to show you a bit more. This is how to delete your sprite and add a new one. This is to choose a sprite. This is to paint the sprite. This is to, I think, yeah, a random sprite. You see, I can choose whatever one I want. This is the animals one. This is the people one. And this is what we had earlier. This is the whatever. This is the dance one. This is the music one. This is the sport one, and this is the food. And this is the fashion one and letters. What does your name start with? I'm not telling mine. I'm a bit shy. What's your name? I don't know. And this is the surprise as well. Why did I tell this again? This is to edit your name. This is to change your Y direction. This is to go up. This is to go sideways. And this is to change the size. Then she's a bit too big. But let me quickly delete this girl. And this is to, wait, let me get a quick sprite. Yeah. And this is to make him invisible. Let me quickly delete this guy. Let me add a backdrop. You have to click that one. And my second favorite one is these two. I like this one more. And you can also make this invisible. Oh, it doesn't work. I'm just figured it out today. This is cool. You can only do it. You can't do it here. Oh, I guess that's almost a video done. Plus, we can edit our backdrop like this and your character. If I wanted to add a circle, I would do this. But if you don't want it, you would do this. And this is to do a line. And I don't want this. This is to edit your line size. Then this is to draw. This is to do that. This is to do a square. And this is to fill something in. Wait, if I did this with an outline and I wanted to fill this, I would do this, but this is not working somehow. What happened? Yeah, this is to erase something, but I'm not going to show you it more. I'll show you here. Let me quickly get something. Let me get the eraser. See, it erases something. And this is to select something. See, I just selected a piece of the map. If I want to do all of this, I'll do this. But obviously I'm not going to do this. And just edit this. Yeah. You can change this to vector. You have all of these. Plus you have text. See? I'm just typing some random letters. And this is another one. What the heck is this? Please subscribe. Let me delete this. You can change how you want the style. If I want it like this, it will be like it. And if you want it like a marker, you see, this one is my best favorite one. You can flip the backdrop. No, how about I do a line? See? And I can change it by clicking this, and I can do this. See? And I deleted it. Bye. And this is to do this. I don't know what I'm just doing. Deleting everything. And this is all of that. And I'm going to add the character Ben. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like. Bye.